Hello, good morning, aunties and uncles. Here again, we're going to get some breakfast done. For today is a bagel with some oranges, we are going to toast the bagels. So just going to plug that in. Okay. Put the bagels in. That's already set to number 3 and push it in. While getting that done, I've got my condiments. So we are going to prepare everything now. So I got a knife and I got my condiments. Like this one is a 5-star health rating. So that's healthy rating peanut butter, 5-star. So that means it has good stuff in it. So it's actually a lot of the oil stays up everywhere in it. So I had to mix it all together. And that's my plain toasted bagel, cut in half. So we spread the peanut butter on top of whatever you got. I just alternate bagels and other bread or whatever I have in my freezer. And then honey. Honey could be too sweet. It just depends upon what honey you get, but not too much. Moist coconut flakes on top of both. Yeah. And then clip that back to keep it nice and fresh. Crushed peanuts, which is packed, crushed already. I didn't crush it. Make life easier. And then to make it a bit salty and sweet, I put a little bit of salt. So I've got chia seeds as well, because those are good stuff. Pink Himalayan salt, as I always use. And then make it a little bit hot as well. So some hot chili flakes. So basically it's a non-cooked breakfast. And there you go. That's my breakfast for today. Hello again. Here I'm going to eat. Now, while I'm eating, let's just talk about things. Like, you might be seeing me in the videos in my pajamas as always. But before I get my breakfast prepared, I'd make sure I drop my kids off for school first, of course. Then I get home. And if you think I dressed myself up back again into my pajamas, no. I drop my kids off in my pajamas. Believe me or not, I don't go to drop my kids off and wear fashionable clothes. I go to drop them off because they need to go to school, not for me to put the fashion there, okay? So I forgot to get a coffee, so let me just get a coffee. By the way, nothing sponsored here. That's my milk. Almond coconut milk, because the shop ran out again as almond milk, unsweetened one. Oh, let's repeat that. Yep, I was just talking about earlier that I wear my pajamas to drop my kids off to school. Anyway, I just put a jacket over my clothes, my pajamas, and then I just sit in the car and drop the kids off. So nobody will know I'm wearing pajamas unless if I get out the car. But I drop them off. That means drop them off. I don't get out the car. So after that, I go back home and then I'll get my breakfast ready. So you might say that, oh, she's a cheap ass, whatever. But you know, it's comfort. It's comfort over whatever. I'm comfortable in my pajamas, so I'll walk in my pajamas and drop the kids out of school. But then if I know I need to go out to the shops to get things, then I will dress properly before I drop the kids off to school. Because straight after I drop them off at school, I go straight to the shops, then come home and have my breakfast. So it doesn't matter if my breakfast is delayed as long as I get my breakfast. Doesn't matter if it's on time. I need to get my breakfast. Sometimes it will come down to breakfast or it goes down to brunch. Then, as I said in one of my vlogs, that I always eat my breakfast watching TFC or either cartoons or YouTube. Currently here, I'm watching Los Bastardos and I'm quite affected by Senora, which has that white hair in front of her black hair, and it pisses me off that, I might say this in my Bisaya term, los gyod nga TV show. But anyway, I'm affected, so that means their drama that they're doing is effective. So you might see me there mumbling, Yaw ang ante ninyo. Yeah, quite affected about the story because it's going around and around in circles. I got to the point here because I am so upset about the story and a bit pissed and angry and whatever. I was just yelling at the TV. I was just saying to that senora that I just want to pull her hair. I just want to pull her hair off her head because it really got into my nerves and how she's manipulating everybody. If you're going to be asking me if I'm taking any vitamins, no, I don't take any vitamins at the moment. I just try to eat good food, healthy food. And my source of vitamin C is oranges or mandarins. I don't drink juice. I don't drink Coke. It's not that I don't drink it at all, but when I'm at a party, or probably if that's the only choice I have there, I'll just have a little bit. I don't drink much of it because I just can't stand the taste of it. But then again, I'll always have water. I just love my water. I don't like my sweet drinks, no. So, yeah, don't take vitamins. I'm not taking any slimming pills either. So it's self-effort. I did it before, but none of them were as much as effective as reducing the amount of food intake and a little bit of exercise. As studies shows that 80% is from your food and 20% is from your exercise to lose weight. That's according to a research. That's not according to me. So yeah, but I use calorie counting. So every week I have to weigh myself, and I also have to write down my food, which is not literally write, but put it in the app. Thank you guys for watching and joining me eating my breakfast. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video or these types of video I've been doing. Leave comments below, suggestions, violent reactions, or whatever. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more food blogs and posts. Stay as Pamelicious, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.